8.3 Weighty matters. Let's convert weight and temperature measurements within the US and metric system. So 16 ounces is 1 pound, 2,000 pounds is a ton, 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams, 1,000 kilograms is 1 metric ton, 1 kilogram is about 2.2 pounds, 1 ounce is about 28 grams. One of the weight classes in Olympic boxing is 79 kilograms. How many grams is that? And how many pounds is that? Alright, so we're going from kilograms to grams. So I know 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. So if we're talking about 79 kilograms and we need to go smaller, we're going to be multiplying. So we're going to multiply by our conversion of 1,000 grams and we get 79,000 grams. Alright, now we want to know how many pounds. So it told us that 1 pound is 16 ounces, 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. So let's figure out what are we going to use? We're going to use kilograms because we have 79 kilograms is about 2.2 pounds. So 1 kilogram is about 2.2 pounds. And since we're going in the smaller direction, we're going to multiply. So 79 kilograms times 2.2 pounds. We get 173.8 pounds. So an average golden retriever is 12.5 ounces at birth. How many pounds is that? So we know ounces to pounds. 16 ounces is 1 pound. We're going to divide because 16 ounces is smaller than a pound. So if the puppy is 12.5 ounces divided by 16 ounces per pound, we get about 0.78 pounds. All right, we're going to convert temperatures. So converting Celsius to Fahrenheit is 9 over 5C plus 32. To convert the opposite way, it's 5 over 9 F minus 32. So a pizza box recommends 225 Fahrenheit for rewarming. What is that in Celsius? So we know that to convert to Celsius, it's 5 over 9 times F minus 32. Our F is the Fahrenheit temperature. So we have 5 over 9 times our F, which is 225 minus 32. Remember PEMDAS, so parentheses first. We have 5 over 9 times 193. Since we're working with fractions, let's go ahead and make everything a fraction. Let's just put it over 1. We multiply straight across. 5 times 193, we get 965, divided by 9 times 1, which is 9. And we have 107.2 centimeters. Stop. And we get 107.2 Celsius, so it's about 110. The reason why we round that up, and it doesn't say to round, but if you think about it, when you turn your oven on or your like air fryer, you can't do 107.2. You have to go to the next biggest number, which is 110. An average male African elephant weighs about 176,000 ounces. How many tons is that? So we know, because we need to get to tons, so 2,000 pounds equals 1 ton. And then we know 16 ounces is 1 pound. So first, let's figure out how many pounds this elephant is. So the elephant is 176,000 ounces. And we're going to divide because ounces are smaller. So we're going to divide by 16 ounces per pound. And we get 11,000 pounds. So now that we know the pounds, we can figure out how many tons. So we have 11,000 pounds. And there's 2,000 pounds. per ton. So we get 5.5 tons. We're going to explain the difference between mass and weight. So mass, think of it as the stuff an object is made of. It's like how much stuff you have in your backpack. Whether you're on Earth, the Moon, or Mars, your backpack still has the same amount of stuff. So mass is stuff. Weight. Weight is a bit different. Imagine you're holding the same backpack on Earth. Gravity pulls it down, making it feel heavy. But if you were on the moon, where gravity is weaker, the backpack would feel lighter. So weight depends on where you are and how strong the gravity is. Mass is about the amount of stuff, and weight is how heavy that stuff feels to gravity.